All right, so the tree, it cracked too, huh? Oh my goodness. I didn't realize that. You got it? Wow. You did.
Yeah, you can drag that one wherever you...
Another one. Another one basu dust. Awesome. It's frozen, isn't it?
Yeah, parts of it.
Okay, folks, so here at Jessica Sinna, Rancho Sinna's farm. What we are doing today, we are cutting a lot of wimpy trees, meaning that all of this area here is going to be our future house, and we need to cut some of these trees anyways. Just wanted to let you know how my technique is today, so let me show you here.
Okay.
It's sleeping. If you understand what we're doing, you can definitely say that. I'll kill all of these things.
Everyone do take notice of the true lumberjack attire here.
Oh man.
City folk. I hate tripping over these things while I'm under the water.
2, 3. So what are we doing here, please?
Well, we're beginning clearing some of the small trees out for the beginning of our circle driveway, the horseshoe driveway. So it's going to come in off the main
Main
driveway, angle in here, and obviously we've got quite a bit of trees to get out, get the chainsaw for these big guys, and then circle around to where the power box is.
Got it.
That will end up being the driveway that goes to the garage.
Got it. So this is all we're doing here. Horseshoe going through here. All of those trees, just to give a heads up, folks, we're not just killing trees. All of those trees are really just using space, honestly.
Most of them are dead.
And a lot of them are dead. And some of these young ones, it is not healthy for a maple tree to have so many little trees on the side, right?
Little pine trees suck the nutrients, and the big maples don't stay healthy.
They suck the nutrients, and the big maples do not get the nutrients. So it's helping nature too. As you can see, there is a lot of maple trees too. It is winter, but that's what we're doing today. It is a project. I'm tired.
So 2 squirrels run across the driveway. Sandy didn't see him though.
Figure Sunday if